My name is Maria Franz, student number 2021-47681, and I'll be the teacher for computer studies, grade 10 to 11.
My name is Paulus Senemerman, student number 2021-42955, Elena in Miss France class.
I am Foroe Bakunguna. My student number is 2021-5254-5, and I will be Elena in Miss Maria's class.
My name is Daniel, student number 2021-3236-6, and I will be in Miss Maria France class.
Okay.
My name is Viripula, my surname Marukwa, student number 2020-36707. Yeah.
Justin Iso, student number 2021-00324. I'll be Miss Maria's class.
Afternoon, I am Muyame Bemunja Pavala, student number 2021-46383, and I'm a student in Miss Maria's class.
My name is Max Khan, student number 2020-91155, and I'll be a student in Miss Maria's class.
Good morning, my name is David Lishokobosi, student number 2021-31718, and I am going to be in Miss France class.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Can you guys see the slides?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are still under the theme problem solution, including algorithm, programming concepts, and logic gates. So today's topic will be data representation. Paulus, please tell me what data representation is.
It refers to the form in which data is stored, processed, and transmitted.
Any other answer?
Nothing that he covered it, ma'am.
Okay, you're correct. At the end of the lesson, learners will understand binary data systems, and learners should be able to explain why binary numbers are used in computer systems and convert binary to denary and using positive values up to 16 bits. So, does anyone have an idea of what a binary system is?
Ma'am?
James?
Yes. I feel like binary is the process, or it's basically the way our devices read information, and this is mostly through ones and zeros.
Okay, so why do you think it reads it in only ones and zeros?
This is because computers do not or cannot read alphabetical functions, and it's only defined or defines whatever the terms that it needs to define in ones and zeros.
Oh, okay, very good. So binary is a base 2 system which works just like our decimal system. The binary system is a base 2 system, so therefore it only requires zeros and ones. For example, this number on the screen, can you guys see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there is no 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 in binary. Considering the decimal number system, it only ranges from 0 to 9. So binary representation can only be understood by computer chips, as James said, and can be saved in memory. So when you say a binary number, you pronounce each digit. So for example, the binary number 101 is spoken as 101 or 101. This way people don't get to confuse it with the decimal number. To show that a number is a binary number, it has to follow a little 2 at the end. Do you guys see it?
Yes.
Base 2 actually.
Okay.
You call it a base. This way, people won't think it's a decimal number. 101. Okay, so converting binary to denary, example 1. So rule number 1, you have to multiply each binary digit by its under denary digit. Okay, so you multiply the binary number with the under denary digit 0 and 1. So whichever, okay, 0 multiplied by 1 will give you 0. 1 multiplied by 4 will give you 4. So whichever gives you a decimal number, you write it down. So add products to find denary. So here, this gives you 128, this gives you 0, this gives you 128, this gives you 0, 32, 16, 8, okay, and so on. So you actually add the numbers that do not give you 0, and then here our answer will be 172. Example 2, you multiply the binary with denary, and then you get this. Okay, 0 times 2, 0, 0 times 4, 0. So then here we see that the numbers that came out were 64, 16, and 1. So you actually just add up these numbers. And then that is your answer. Do you guys understand?
Yes. More or less, yes.
Okay, so here is a quiz for you guys. I'm giving you a minute to do it. So here are the possible answers. This is a binary number and you have to convert it to denary. Okay, are you guys almost done? Are you guys done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Paulus, what's your answer?
83.
Okay, James, what's your answer?
I think it's 64, ma'am.
Justin, what's your answer?
I think it's 98.
Max, what's your answer?
I think it's 27.
And what's your answer?
83.
What's your answer?
64.
So the correct answer is, okay, let's work through it. So we wrote down our denary number system. Then 0 times 128 will give you 0. 1 times 64, 64, 0 times 32, 0, 1 times 16, 16, 0 times 8, 0, 0 times 4, 0, 1 times 2, 2, and 1 times 1 will give you 1. So what we do here is we take the 64, add 64 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, and this will give us 83. So that is our final answer.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
So for everyone that hasn't, so we have come to the end of our lesson. For the ones that got it wrong, please go work through it at home. Have a great day.
Okay, ma'am.